Hello friends, this video is a tutorial about basic structure of Specific Relief Act. As you know, Specific Relief Act is one of those subjects which are the big point of every law student. Even there is a lack of teachers who cannot even teach about SRA. Due to these reasons, this subject becomes complicated. But guys, trust me, this is the most beautiful act ever made. You just have to understood about its working. Remember, today's video is only a tutorial about basic structure. Rest of the topics will be given in another video. So, let's start. To understand about SRA, you first have to understood a concept of contract and its breach. When breach of a contract is done, when a breach of contract is done, we have options like compensation or damages as per statutory provisions. Suppose, for example, there is a contract of immovable property, that is sale of immovable property. A contract is made, but the possession of the property is not given to the another person. So as per statutory provisions that is given in Indian Contract Act and TPA, compensation or damages can be claimed. Only these can be claimed. But suppose if these damages or compensation is not sufficient for the person, then what to do? So for this purpose, equity has provided some rules. These rules are called specific reliefs. These reliefs are contained in Specific Relief Act 1963. SRA provides for 7 types of specific reliefs. First, to get possession of property, whether movable or immovable, rather than claiming the compensation or damages if the compensation or damages are not sufficient to give the relief to person. Second, person can claim specific performance of contract as per provisions of chapter 2 of the SRA. Third, he can get the instrument to rectify, that is, he can correct the instrument if the instrument does not express their real intention. He can also resign the contract, that is, he can annul the contract if it is voidable at his option or terminable at his option. He can also apply to cancel the instrument if it is void or voidable, or other party can use this instrument against the party who want to cancel it. He can also apply for a declaratory degree to declare status or right against any person. And the last and most important part of Specific Relief Act is injunctions. Part 3rd of Specific Relief Act contains about preventive reliefs, that is injunctions. These reliefs are contained, are given because there is no statutory remedy if a contract is to be breached. Remember, contract is not breached. Contract has not come to that stage that its breach is done. It has to be breached, and other party has apprehension that it can be breached. So party can go to the court to apply for injunction, and court can grant injunction so that the contract can be properly done, it can be completed. We have 2 types of injunctions: perpetual injunction and temporary injunction. The temporary injunctions are provided under CPC, and perpetual injunctions are provided as per the rules of Specific Relief Act. To understand about temporary and perpetual injunction, watch the next video that I will post. I will cover the proper topic of injunction in that video. Thanks guys. So this is the basic structure of Specific Relief Act. Thanks.